Man is the obligate host for which of the following diseases? Man in the case of measles and typhoid. Your dog won't get measles, your cat won't get measles, only you get measles. I still remember our postgraduate in preventive medicine used to be there, one Anil Purti. That guy, if you ask a question, his answer typically used to be like this. If you ask what is meant by definitive host, sir, he used to say, very simple, your wife can get measles, but not your cat can get, not your dog can get. Did you understand? समझ गए ना? चलो जाके पढ़ो. So you must know what are definitive hosts, obligate hosts, etc., etc. Now, doctor, diphtheria toxin is basically elongation factor 2 inhibition. You must know cholera toxin, botulinum toxin, E. coli toxin, 7-8 toxin wala aa gaya that day evening in the reading room. So all 8 toxins are over. After that, antibiotic wala aa gaya next day. All there will be about some 10 to 12 antibiotics, doctor. 50 years, 30 years, etc., etc. Rifampicin, what will it do? All those things you must iron out. Now, what is sentinel surveillance? Those missed cases in the first survey are once more caught and supplemented to the main data. It is not used for calculating fatality. It is mainly for adding the missing cases to the main data, as in the poliomyelitis surveillance. Tell me, doc, one quick answer from all of you. Ketamine. See, you are answering every question. You are bound to be in the top 10 ranks. Difficult. Already in our class we have about 30-40 people here. Okay. NMDA receptors, disorientation, hallucination, raised BP, everything rises in ketamine. IOP rises, everything rises. Then, if a disease is acute or short duration, then either because of rapid recovery or death, what will happen? Prevalence basically is what? New plus old cases. New plus old cases. So, there will be a low prevalence rate and the incidence will be higher. So, suppose as a coaching center we say, we are the most prevalent and popular coaching center. That means what? None of your ex-students got seat. So, that is the reason you have both the old students, new students, both of them preparing. Let me tell you, we are not that prevalent coaching program. We are popular but not prevalent, because definitely students get good seats. Now, doctor, epidemic dropsy, argemone oil, mustard oil में मिल गया, इसके वजह से poisoning हो गया. Now, FAO, where is it located? Nero fiddles while the Rome burns, and the West will be enjoying while the East is suffering from hunger deaths. So Rome is West, so Rome is a place where it is located. Acquiring the belief, custom, prejudices in everyday social interaction with the people of the society is called as. How many answered acculturation? Anybody answered acculturation? No. Did anybody answer? Everybody answered socialization? That's good, that's good. That's good. So, following the traditions of the group is basically called the socialization. Now the tradition is no more paper based exam, online test. क्या करेंगे? We have to. That's called socialization. There is a socialization, no other way. What is acculturation? Did any of your classmates have gone to take USMLE step 3 in New York? Step 3. 1, 2 हो गया, तुम अभी भी नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर हो रहे हो, वो स्टेप 3 पहुंच गए. After he comes back from New York, after finishing step 3 exam, just you will say, hello Ramu, how are you? How are you? I'm fine, man. Then you will suddenly find what is this great change. Earlier he used to be nice, but there is a change in intonation, as such scorpion has bitten his tongue, posterior aspect of the tongue. So there is a total Hollywood language. Why? Because USMLE step 3 mein they test how you talk with the patient. That's a part of the step 3. I mean step 3 के बाद clinical assessment. Step 2 clinical assessment. Suppose if you go and use your typical coastal language of English, how are you, sir? Then patient will say that, how this man is killing me. He's speaking other than English something else. So that's the reason acculturation is culture contact, which will change your style of wearing, everything. Now doctor, what is the common cause of maternal mortality? It is a bleeding which need to be controlled, obstetrical hemorrhage. PQLI doesn't include or includes. It includes literacy, life expectancy at age 1, infant mortality and literacy. Which of the following indicates a component of PQLI, right? What should be the correct answer? Okay, it's not included. Oh, if there's a low mortality, literacy is there, right? Oh, it's not about not there. Okay. Right. What can be safely incinerated? Which type of waste? Animal waste, entrance books. Everything after entrance is over can be safely incinerated without causing any pollution. How much noise exposure should not exceed? 85 decibels, as much we produce in the video library. Now, pulse proteins are deficient in methionine. Lead time means what? It is the time that you gained by an early diagnosis by using a screening test is basically called lead time. So first possible point of detection and usual time of diagnosis between the two, the time which is available. Now let me shoot you an answer, doctor. Question. Sensation which is first lost, last lost. Temperature is first lost. And what is last lost? Pressure. So that means if we take a lidocaine injection, we feel cool suddenly in the area where lidocaine got injected. First is touch according to, you must tell which is first, what is last. Pradeep says last pressure. Sikandrabad says pain. I am waiting for that answer. So typically, doctor, it is pain lost first. Then temperature, we feel cool. After that, we don't know what the surgeon is touching us and where he is touching. And then comes the pressure, which is ultimately lost, is what need to be remembered. And also you must know, small diameter, large diameter, myelinated, then unmyelinated is the order in which the nerve blockade occur. And main action of local anesthetics is sodium channels are the ones which are basically affected. That's good. Let me congratulate our Secunderabad students, guns of Gandhi Medical College, correctly answered. Bhopal gas is point source epidemic. ELISA helps you to quickly diagnose that he got HIV. Early diagnosed treatment is secondary prevention. Peripheral edema is not a part of metolazone. Metolazone is a diuretic which we use. So it will relieve the edema, which is resistant to furosemide and other forms also can be taken care by metolazone. Renal artery stenosis, what will it do, doctor? It will increase the renin-angiotensin aldosterone, which lead to retention of sodium, so it won't lead to hyponatremia. Rather, it will lead to development of hypernatremia. RTA is an example of hyperchloremic normal anion gap metabolic acidosis, which need to be remembered. Then hypophosphatemia lead to convulsions, which is true. What is the effect of hypophosphatemia on the oxygen dissociation curve? If there is no phosphate, there is no 2,3-DPG. If there is no 2,3-DPG, more oxygen is bound with hemoglobin. Hemoglobin adult will behave like a fetal hemoglobin, and there is a left-sided oxygen dissociation curve shift is what need to be remembered. Cons doesn't lead to hyponatremia. Once more, another repeat. Once more, doctor. Hyponatremia, hypokalemia, hypocalcemia, magnesemia, phosphatemia. Over, no? They need to be remembered. Causes, everything. For any electrolyte, remember, only 3 causes for hyper state. Why? What are they? decreased intake or increased loss or a transcellular shift. That's all. Now doctor, ACE inhibitors, what will they do to the plasma-renin activity? If the ACE is there, angiotensin converting enzyme, renin is a precursor of it or a product of it? Right? So what is the product of ACE enzyme? Angiotensin 2. More angiotensin 2 inhibits renin, less angiotensin 2 will cause increased renin, it won't decrease the renin. What is hyalurin? How is it different from heparin? If heparin has to achieve anticoagulation, how will it achieve? It will slowly go and tell to antithrombin. They go antithrombin, this guy is clotting too much, you go and inactivate the thrombin. It has no courage to go before thrombin and fight in the street. But if you give heparin, heparin induced thrombocytopenia with a low platelet count and bleeding can occur. HIT it is called as, it's an autoimmune platelet destruction. For them, what is the treatment? Give direct thrombin inhibitor, which is hyalurin, lepiridine, etc., etc. That's good, doc. Now amiodarone, intravenous amiodarone is known to lead to hypotension, not oral amiodarone. In fact, oral amiodarone is called as pocket pill. If somebody has an atrial fibrillation, you can tell, carry one amiodarone in your pocket. The moment you get the palpitations, put one amiodarone. It is such a safe drug. So photosensitivity, hypothyroidism, 6 P's of amiodarone, which we already discussed. Now tell me, doctor, shoot me an answer. Which anti-migraine drug? Vasoconstriction and presence of Prinzmetal metal is a contraindication. Who will give me first correct answer? Yes? Ergometrin, but it should also cause vasoactive peptide release, which is the underlying mechanism. Kurnool, Vizag also proposed ergo. All the criteria should be satisfied by it. That's right. When you feel sumatriptan, make sumatriptan louder. So Dr. Sumatriptan is a 5-HT1BD agonist, vasoconstricts. It is used in acute migraine, cluster headache attacks, and coronary vasospasm is a contraindication is what need to be remembered.